Okay, somehow this chapter sneaked in because I don't want to give away too much in this part. But if you don't have time, become self-aware. This is awareness is key. Like all exercises around awareness, and we will have an entire chapter waiting for you. Will help you find this tune. Also, start recognizing these flow moments. Keep a journal, write things down. Whenever you feel like, hey, I've lost track of time and I really enjoyed this moment, write it down. Why was that particular moment a flow moment for you? What were you doing? And especially focus on the what, not so much on the why, because the why tends to be a where back view, and the what is like, okay, what can I do to get into flow next time? So experiment and tinker with it. And then, of course, definitely, most definitely, fail. Try to fail as much. Nobody can get into a flow. For example, nobody can just click on their skis and just one go. The best basketball players in the world, they needed a lot of practice. The best surfers, they have felt so much off their boards. Fail. In failure, you will see the way. So the obstacle is the way. Okay, so never ever avoid challenge. Find your limits, because when you fail, you know that you've reached your limit. And then it does not matter how slowly you go, eventually, as long as you don't stop. Because if you stop, you're moving backwards. However, a conscious stop can also be a move forward. So as long as you are conscious about it, aware, then you know, like, hey, this is my tune.